Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the cross stitch. So it's what I use in my handbag. Makes little crosses. And what I use to do the little elephant toy. Okay, so this stitch needs to be worked in the round. Just like this. Round and around. Okay. So you just want to, all you need is some yarn and the appropriate size hook. And then depending if you're working in a magic circle or a chain, so I'll just show you. Right, so all I do here is skip this first one, and I'll show you how to do a single crochet. So that's go in through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Okay, go through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. So that's just a normal single crochet. And to do the cross stitch, you just change one thing. So you still skip one, go in through the chain, and instead of having the yarn in front of the hook, you want to have the yarn behind the hook and then pull it through. Okay, and then yarn over and pull through both. So go in through the chain, have the yarn behind the hook, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Okay, and through the chain, yarn behind the hook, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Okay, it might take a while for you to get used to having the yarn behind the hook. Okay, so I'll just do a few rows and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like after you've done a few rows. It's really hard to see, but it's like the little crosses. So again, if you missed it just before, you go in through the stitch, yarn behind, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. So go into the stitch, yarn behind, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Okay, it's a lot easier to see it on these ones. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.